Season 2, Episode 7. The unedited version will be up on Patreon, and early videos will be on Patreon and YouTube membership. Let's go! Main Forces Monster Association. The Monster King looks so scary though. I don't know, Monster King doesn't look like he can speak. Ooh. It's like he pushed him off. Oh no. Oh. Quick. I had a headache. Yes. Oh. One kick. Dark Horse. I have high expectations for you, Dark Horse. Oh. Too bad Charanko's not here. Watchdog Man. He's like the dog statue. Oh. Oh. Amazing timing. Oh, there's so many of them. Dogman. Oh no. Okay. Oh. So is that like a robot? Daijobu? Who is they? They? Ooh. Ooh. Beheaded. Drive Night. Oh, so cool. I mean, death is the only option. Ooh. Amemas is, I guess, kinda strong. Uh-oh. No more fighters. Ooh. Big God. Okay. Good timing. Oh. Wait. Is he eating the monster? No way. Oh, that's gross. So he eats monsters? That was unexpected. One punch. Oh, really? Okay. Different level. Ugh. Ew. I don't know, that's not very... New kind of corn. One punch. That was so anticlimactic. For the amount that he was talking. Like my superior genetics. Who's there? Oh. Flashy flash. Oh, he's offended. Ooh. Wow. Not bad, flashy flash. He sliced all the suction cup parts and all the eyes. The monster's angry. Uh-oh. Is it gonna explode? Oh, it's Tatsumaki. I was like, the octopus can fly? Ew! Compressed monster. Oh, is he offended? Wakame. Was he in all that house that she's so strong? Not a problem. Oh, they can create them. Ooh. Unlimited army. Oh. But just in case, right? He might soften. Most powerful swordsman. Ooh. Teamwork. This guy doesn't look nice. What is in there? Extra special? Ugh. Ew. Oh, that sounds so suspicious. Why do you want to become a monster? And he took it. He ate it. Ooh. Ew. Why do you have to drag everyone down with you? I don't want to eat that sussy stuff. It doesn't look yummy either. Baka baka. Mince meat. Oh, that's more than mince meat. That's like a vaporized. Oh! Finals versus Suiryu. I'm hoping for a good fight. Water. No, that's mean. That's so mean. Eh? Almost. Is he playing? I think he's playing. Dangerous for my hair. Holding onto his hair for dear life. He's not guarding his head, he's guarding his wig. He's so confident. For fun. Me too. Oh, same. Oh, so confident. Disappointing. Hardships. Ooh.
わかった。じゃあこういうのはだから君も頑張って俺を楽しませてくれ。
Serious punch?
いいなそれ。
Are you sure you can take that?
始めようか。
Almost. So close. Saitama is just taking his hits to experience. Save? Is his wig still there? Okay. Wig is still there. No? He's fine. He cares about the wig more. He's just holding onto his wig. Punch!
カウンターをガードしてるところも勘が鋭い。
Oh.
君、普段は何やってるの？倒したり。え？怪人と戦ってるの？まるでみたいなことしてるんだな。
Uh-oh. Don't expose yourself.
ヒーロー目指すのもいいかなって。試合したけど弱すぎて話にならなかった。
Yeah, but S-class are strong, you know.
職業でやってる割に全校人たちがどれだけ頑張っても世界は救えないと思う。
I think Saitama's triggered. I think he's angry. Stop talking. You're making Saitama angrier. No. I refuse. I don't need your advice. Oh, his hair. Oh. Serious punch? Ooh. His clothes. Don't mess with Saitama. He's bald. Anybody recognizes him? Uh-oh. Disqualified. Oh no. It's not Charanko. Oh, he recognized him. Oh, it's continuing. I mean, I wanna know who wins. Using his hands now. Ooh. Saitama. He's just taking the hits. No effect. Ooh. Fired up. Are you sure? I don't know if they noticed. Saitama hasn't moved from his spot. Nah. Saitama's just taking the hit. You are too weak for me. Oh. All cool, like, okay. Make extra moves. Some spinny move. Oh my god. Hip attack. Oh no. Oh my god, he attacked with his butt. And that's how he lost. Traumatized. Oh, for the first time. Genos. Who defeated him? Are they gonna show? Was it this guy? The one that was going to the tournament? Goketsu? So guys, that's the end of the episode. I guess Saitama did end up experiencing some martial arts with Suiryu, but unfortunately, Suiryu was not as strong as he made himself up to be. And like, he kept on praising himself and looking down on others, and he landed so many attacks on Saitama, but Saitama, he doesn't look injured at all. I don't see any effects. Like, also a lot of the moves, Saitama just stood in place and that's it. He doesn't even bother blocking because Saitama's so freaking tough. Next episode will probably be, I have a feeling that Goketsu monster is gonna arrive at the tournament right like they're about to take Saitama away, and then Saitama is gonna end up having to save everyone kind of thing. Hopefully he's not gonna end up being fined. Saitama has no, can't afford it, but I guess Genos can. Genos will save him, I guess. But I'm excited to see in the next episode who's gonna fight who, and is Goketsu the one that defeated Genos? But Genos was already injured in the first place, right? So, but yeah, excited to see how strong that monster is, Goketsu. So guys, it's the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Early unedited videos will be up on Patreon, and early edited videos will be up on YouTube membership. If you want to be my fan, the link will be in the description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!